much, I'm just gonna jump out of that.
Yeah, it's gonna take my arm.
Big caiman.
Yeah, big caiman.
Well, that's good that.
Alright guys, we're going for round 2 of fishing. Let's see if we can finally get something. This time we're bringing Juan, who is a pro. El señor Juan nos va a enseñar todo lo que sabe, ¿cierto? Yeah, the floor is quite slippery up in here. Bon, on va écraser le gros cul ici là. Ah.
C'est incroyable en vrai.
Ça, c'est super. Là, je vois rien là. Le soleil en pleine face. Estamos pescando. Pescando. Estamos...
Je pense que si on empêche, je lui en donne. Adam.
Adam.
Try to remember. It's 2 pieces here. Take the other one as well for the second one.
Sarah?
Un momento.
Así se hace. Ah. Tu truco.
Para llamar a las pirañas.
Ah.
Para llamar pirañas. ¿Sí?
Para despertarlas.
Vamos a probar aquí.
Oh.
T'es poigné toi aussi?
Non.
Oh.
Pardon.
Un autre bout de viande. Another piece of meat.
Ah, otro pedazo de carne, Brazza. ¿Quién tiene la carne?
Sí.
Sí, señor. Sí, ya viene la carne. Ahí está.
Gracias.
I feel like I'm just gonna jump out of that.
Yeah, it's gonna take my arm.
Big caiman.
Yeah, big caiman.
Well, that's good that we have one with us.
Yeah.
He's doing everything.
Yeah, the pro. El maestro. ¿Qué escuchamos? Manu Chao. Qué sorpresa. Bratza back there having a dart and a beer.
That's how you fish, man. That's how you guys fish, man. Don't pee in the water. Really.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
¿Tú conoces la historia como que en la Amazonas
Sometimes
hay
it's
un
fresh,
pez
sometimes
pene
it's super warm. That's
que se
weird.
mea dentro del agua?
La pintura.
Oh yeah, a little bit of rainbow up there.
Look
There's
around
the
us.
end.
We're in the
There's
middle of the
always-
fucking jungle.
There is the end in the
My
far.
arm
Sí.
Oh yeah.
Ay, todo el tiempo hay un
Crocodile.
¿Ah?
Todas las noches.
Start climbing. Start climbing. Yeah, you're all good.
Fuck, my hair's a bit.
Looks a bit wet in the back there. Yeah.
So your hands were completely black the last time, so it was because of...
Is that nice, guys?
That felt great.
Great. Everyone went for a swim.
thing.
Il y a quelque chose dans l'arbre aussi? Un singe?
There's monos también.
Monos también. There's monos también.
Like,
Maybe
Un dauphin.
oh, maybe it's
You
this.
just look.
Oh,
Yeah, so it's the mosquito thing. So
okay.
sorry about that. Hey, il y en a
Ah, un
un
autre dauphin.
Go a little bit closer.
Ah, trop bien.
Ah, ils sont juste à côté.
Regardez,
de
c'est
nous,
rose
le
en plus,
proche.
Ah, ouais.
Ah, là-bas.
Ok.
Ils sont trop loin déjà.
Ouais, déjà trop loin. Ils bougent
C'est
vite.
embêtant, ici ils aiment pas venir près des bateaux.
Non, ils ont peur.
Jamais. It's true, it is very beautiful.
Ustedes son los que me dicen, yo vine como un invitado. Ustedes dicen, bueno, Juan, quedémonos un rato. Bueno, quedamos.
Sí, porque los...
Yo pensé que era un hijo cuando me encontró. ¿Será que?
Everything here is completely flooded. Compared to 5 days ago when we arrived here in Puerto Nariño, The water level is way higher. This was all just open grassy area, and now it's completely flooded. The Amazon's water level has risen considerably. It did rain heavily without stopping for almost a day, so that's probably why. We just arrived on the Peruvian side of the Amazon River. Basically, we just took a boat from Puerto Nariño to Caballococha, and now our mission is to get on the next cargo boat heading to Iquitos. It's going to be a 3-day boat ride on the Amazon, and we're going to be sleeping in hammocks. It's the only sleeping option. Should be an adventure. Let's do it. Hey guys, good morning. It's been a long day, let's just say that. So we're still in Caballococha. We're right here near this little port. This is the kind of port area, it doesn't look like much, where the cargo boats apparently stop. So just to fill you in a little bit on our situation here, we've asked dozens and dozens of people in Leticia, Santa Rosa, Puerto Nariño, and here in Caballococha for information about these cargo boats that go all the way to Iquitos. Every single person has said something different. It is absolutely impossible to get reliable information about this journey on these cargo boats to Iquitos that cost at least no more than half of what the regular fast boats cost. We were told just this morning, most recently, that there's one at 11. Now they're saying there's nothing. So we believe that our only option is to just be at the port. That's the only way that we're ever going to get out of here, is you need to be waiting at the port, and when a boat comes, you get on it. Otherwise, you're never going to get a boat. No, creo que no. Yo me voy a quedar seco.
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Oh, he was? Oh, disculpe. Hola, buenas tardes. No te escuché, disculpe. Vamos, vamos. Vamos, you'd like us to move. Vamos, he says.
Wish to have like a house right in front of the water, huh?
Yeah.
How many people wish that?
Yeah,
Here there's so many houses right that you can just like get out of your house and jump in.
yeah. Pretty much. Awesome. We decided to so we have been waiting all day for a boat to get out of Caballococha. Still no boat, but we're told by many people that there are boats this evening, so fingers crossed that we didn't spend our whole day sitting around doing nothing for nothing. So we're gonna, now that the sun's a bit lower, we're late in the afternoon, we're gonna go for a quick stroll just down to the next little village. It's about a half-hour walk away, so it's not oh yeah, and there's a lake there too. Yeah, that'll be interesting to see. So yeah, let's go see what we can find here. Find some nice views around Caballococha.
Buenas.
Hola, buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. These guys spearfishing off of this little boardwalk here, that takes a lot of skill. I don't know how you spot them, the water's so murky.
Yeah, but it's not too deep, so.
Yeah, they must know how. Boy, we're getting into even more rural villages now, eh? Well, it looks like we've come to a dead end.
It's not a dead end, we can still go through that, but I don't really want to.
Yeah, you want to go through this? It's probably too deep to touch in the middle there.
I don't really want to go through it.
It looks like a nice murky swamp. Little branch of the Amazon. I think I'll go back this way. We returned from our little walk just in time to grab dinner and then noticed that a cargo boat had pulled up here at our little port behind us. This one is not going to Iquitos, so we're not getting on, but they said that the one going to Iquitos may be here any minute, so with any luck we'll be on a boat soon.
I mean, they said soon, but soon can mean here.
could mean an hour or two, it doesn't matter. Point is, there should be a boat coming at some point to Iquitos. Brazza is having his last dart, his last cigarette, eh, Brazza? No darts for the boat ride. 3-day journey. That's pretty brave to tackle a 3-day boat ride without darts.
Reading that shit.
Good stuff. I'm proud. I hope it goes well. I guess I'll be there to witness it. Let's go check out this cargo boat here, see what it looks like. Guys, we just boarded. I didn't have the camera out, didn't want to annoy people any more than I probably already am. We set up our hammocks pretty easily. There's plenty of space. I'll do a full tour tomorrow when it's light out. It's like coming on midnight now. Yeah, the guy came by to take our info. Oh, we're moving. I can see that we're backing away from the boat next to us. Maybe I'll go get this on camera actually. Probably can't see a thing right now. Anyways, I'm excited for this. We're exhausted. We're gonna go to sleep and we'll check in with you again tomorrow. See you guys soon.